God damn it. Uh-oh, Tanya and I are camping and I've fallen out of the wheelchair. Now what?
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
We're out in the wild, wild west. I've fallen. What am I going to do now? Thankfully, if Tanya's not with me, I've got the handy dandy remote in my snack bag. So, in this case, I'm going to move the chair. Come on, man.
Don't you need a seat cushion?
Hold on. All right. Now I got to check the distance here. Let me slide out of the way. God, it's cooler down here than it was sitting in my wheelchair. I'm gonna take my handy dandy remote, see if it works. Come on, Big Daddy. I'm sorry, what? The ramp is asking if somebody needs a lift. Ba-dum-bum. Here we go. So,
Gunner's like, do you need help, Dad?
then, because I've got the safety lip still attached, I've hit my smart drive accidentally a couple times and engaged it. So I leave the safety lip engaged, but I don't want it lifting up underneath my thighs. Don't mind the ice cube. It's warm out here. And ideally, I'd have another cushion I could use for this. That way I wouldn't have to do a second transfer to get back into the chair with a cushion on it.
And you usually do have an extra cushion.
I always have a second cushion.
It's one thing to keep in the van is an
Yep.
extra cushion.
Uh-oh.
And I do have an extra cushion that I can put in your wheelchair.
Now, if it was just me by myself, which rarely it is, I'd move my chair to the side. Just throw it at the van, let it roll down there, and let the van stop it. But because I have my lovely wife with me, she can move the chair for me.
I happen to have you a second cushion.
Oh, you got the second cushion available.
Yeah, I happen to have the second cushion available. Put on the chair.
That works.
So there you go.
I should probably have used that one. It's softer.
Yeah.
All right. So that we're there. Now. All right, you might notice I'm a little bit soaked down. I took a spray bottle, some ice water. It's getting hot out here. We're gonna move right along. And that reminds me, check the temperature of the front of the ramp. Don't get your bare skin burned. All right, now at this moment, oops. Come on, man. All right. All right, just out of an abundance of precaution, I'm gonna use a towel because it's warm. Then we're gonna go up. It won't lift me because the lift is blocked. That means going to off the side because the safety lip here won't lift me a weight sensor.
if you're obstructing that area.
The weight sensor won't lift it up. Here we go, let's see what happens.
And he's a little bit weeble wobbly, so. Ta-da!
That's it. Now my wife's gonna get the chair. She'll pull it alongside me here or this way, I don't care. Yeah, go ahead. Push my water bottle out of the way because it's warm. And push my locks down. Hard, boom.
Bam, back in the seat. The remote's somewhere, it fell.
That's the chair. That's the transfer back into the chair. Now, if we had used the only chair we had, I'd wait till we got into the truck or had somewhere else with a chair, transfer onto it, put the wheelchair cushion back in, transfer on. Easy peasy, man. So I hope that gives you an option, shows you something. Even out in the middle of nowhere, if you don't have the fancy mow lift,
The ones at home.
the ones we have at home, you can still use what you got most of the time.
And please look above and click on that link for the very first video we did on the when he falls at home using the mow lift.
Yep. It's a great vid. Check it out.
But out here, this is what we do.
Every once in a while, I can miss a transfer. And I end up on the ground. Kind of like this.
So if Derek misses the bed when he's trying to transfer, he ends up right here, next to the bathroom, next to the bed, on the floor. So when Derek misses the bed and ends up on the floor, how do you think we get him back in the chair without me lifting? Because I can't.
Oh no, what do we do? All right, so first step, we got to get the chair out of the way. Boom. Release these lock brakes. Oops. Lift it up, it's still locked a little. Yeah. And then my lovely assistant wife is going to take the chair.
Put it on the ground outside.
And if you were really, really injured, or if I was by myself,
You can use the lift.
I would use the lift. There's a remote, there's a wired remote in here. Raise it up, roll the chair out, put it down. So now, Tanya takes the chair out, puts it
And
sideways.
it's outside the van.
And you notice the height. The floor of the van is almost the same height as my seat.
So that's pretty handy. Of course, now he's bringing the rug with him.
Ah. Damn.
Now there's got a spasm going.
Oh my God. You know, it doesn't hurt much when the legs are doing it, but when that abdomen gets up there, oh. All right. Sit in position. Here we go. Scooch. Scooch.
Yeah, we had to put a towel down.
Yeah, you'll notice the towel under my legs. The floor and the edge were in the sun. Holy moly, they're hot. Pro tip, you got to check those things. All right, here we go. So what we're going to do, slide forward. Try to keep my feet off the face of the lift because it's going to be hot too. Ah! Lock the brakes, 45-degree angle-ish. Ah.
Another spasm. So it isn't bad if he falls in the van. He can easily get back in the chair this way.
Woo! That's hot.
Because it just so happened that the floor is almost the same height as this. And here's
Chair.
Benner to the rescue as you're
Yeah, you're a little late to the party, buddy.
Dad. So that's how.
Use what you've got handy, man. Use what you got handy. Improvise. Think outside the wheel box.
So easy peasy if he falls in the van, really. That easier than home.
Easy money. Whoa, remember, disability is not inability. When life throws you a curve, just roll with it. We'll see you next time.